one to others as you would have them do to you. Principle 6, evaluate all my relationships, offer forgiveness to those who have hurt me, and make amends for harm I've done to others, except when to do so would harm them or others.
Matthew 5:7. Happy are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Happy are the merciful.
Joyfully favored by divine grace, not performance, are those who reflect the mercy they have freely received. These are not people trying to earn forgiveness. They those who know how much they've been forgiven through the blood of Jesus, and they pour out that mercy from a healed place because they live under the waterfall of mercy at the cross. They naturally extend it, and in doing so they remain under the continual flow of divine kindness, not judgment. Mercy begets mercy. The merciful are not self-righteous, they are Christ conscious. They forgive because they are forgiven. They make amends not to be approved, but because they already are.
Matthew 5:9. Happy are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Happy are the peacemakers.
Fully satisfied, whole and divinely favored are those who actively sow peace, not just keeping quiet, but stepping into broken places with the ministry of reconciliation. They are sons and daughters who know they've been reconciled to God through the finished work of the cross, and now they carry that same peace into relationships, conflicts, and wounds. They don't run from the mess, they bring heaven into it. Amends are not made from guilt, but from identity. You are a peacemaker because you are a child of the Most High, healed, whole, and called to restore others in the same grace that restored you.
Step 8. We made a list of all persons we had harmed and became willing to make amends to them all.
Luke 6:31. Do to others as you would have them do to you. Let the way you treat others flow from the deep truth of how you long to be treated, with understanding, gentleness, and grace. The law demanded fairness. Grace invites transformation. This is not just behavioral, it's relational. When you receive God's lavish kindness, it changes how you respond to people, even those who've hurt you or those you've hurt. Making amends means giving what you've already received from heaven. We love because He first loved us. We do unto others not to earn righteousness, but because His righteousness is already alive in us.